Fetch AI is one of the few AI coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be giving you the reasons as to why I believe we can get more than a 10x, and above all discuss my short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis. I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started a pullback to the lower side in an Elliot wave count 2, fully maximizing the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. An area that we fully maximized, and I believe that we got our lows for that second wave, and in the next coming weeks we should see another impulse to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave above the fib level 1.618, and that is at $6. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that significant area will give us a perfect 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then the wave 5 taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to now give you the short-term price prediction analysis. I believe that from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, we started a bounce to the upside that peaked in an Elliot wave count 1 above the $1.65. And after we peaked in this wave 1, we started a bit of a short-term corrective structure in a wave 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this red target area. An area that we have now fully maximized, and you can see that we have continued to hold within the area, and in the next coming hours we are possibly going to get a massive reaction of this area, giving us a bounce to the upside in a wave 3. And the minimum target areas for this wave 3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $2. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in a wave 4 before we can continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. We also need to have in mind that in case we don't see a reaction of this area, and maybe at some point we lose the $1.161, then that will be suggesting that this Elliot wave structure right here in blue is failing, and we can get a bit of a deeper retrace in the next coming hours. And that would be fine, because basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, I have a wave that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we first peaked in this 5-wave structure, completing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that wave 1, we started the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area that lies between the 1.225 and the $0.923. So if by any chance we lose this red target area over here, that will be suggesting a bit of a deeper pullback, though the pullback is bullish because that will be giving us one more new low in the second wave before we can finally bounce once again to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3 that can easily get us back above the $2.5 in the next coming weeks or maybe months. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.